Would you like to learn how to transfer crypto from one wallet to the other? To be specific, from Coinsavi to Binance. If you're saying yes, I urge you to stay put because I'll be demonstrating how to do so. So what you do is you start from the receiving wallet. So I'm going to start from Binance. Once you reach Binance, click Add Funds. And then go by On-Chain Deposit. Here, you need to choose the crypto that you're depositing, USDT. Okay, so once you get here, click BNB Smart Chain Web20, then copy the address and head back to Coinsavi. That's what I'm gonna do. All right, I'm back and I'm opening Coinsavi. Then you click Withdraw. Choose the cryptocurrency that you're withdrawing, that's USDT. Then you click Send via Crypto Network. Then when you get here, you need to choose the network, which is BEP20, and confirm. Then on top there, you need to paste the address that you copied from Binance. Then at the bottom here where it reads amount, click max. Okay. So then you can paste the address, then click withdraw in the bottom right, and the crypto will be sent. We head back to Binance and boom, it has reflected. So that's how we do it. Go ahead and do so.